It's such an awesome day today, so guess what? We're going walking. But before we leave, I need to get a photo of this. I love it's almost done. They're already dropping, so hey, why not? Pose, pose. See how beautiful it is today, guys. How can you stay indoors with such lovely weather? Journey starts here. We might do about 1 hour, maybe 2 hours. So we will see, it depends. For an hour now, since we've been walking, a little out of breath, which means that I need to do more exercising and walking. Hey, but you know what? It's just a matter of continuing and not stopping. Yep. How you guys doing today? What are you doing? It's a Saturday. Are you cooking? Are you exercising? Are you resting? What are you doing today? Faswa is always ahead of me. Let's try to find him. Do you see him? I do. We found some shade, so now it's time to relax for a minute before we continue. We came from this direction, and then we're going to be continuing this way to the tower right across there. The tower, that's where we head back. Take a look. That's where we're gonna end our journey and head back. It has been very enjoyable, a little bit adventurous, but hey, that's where we stop and we head back here. Oh, I could see some people bicycling. Babe,
yeah.
See them?
Yeah, that quad, I told you.
Oh, okay.
Attends.
Oh, it's not a bicycle actually.
No, it's a quad.
Oh, okay. We're gonna head back this way. Yeah, then?
Go by this way.
Oh, this way?
Yeah,
Okay. Take a break now before we head back. Okay. Some shade right here. Then we're gonna take a break. Our journey, well, almost the end of our journey. We have this last part, this hill to climb. We're almost there. Yes, this one there. Oh, you my goodness. You see? Oh my goodness. You want to go on the other side? Okay. Yes, we made it. We're back where we first started off, and we're heading back home now.